How to use CJ Dropshipping and Shopify, CJ Dropshipping Shopify tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you how you can easily make use of CJ Dropshipping inside your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you need to first create an account inside the Shopify and then try to open up your own store or set up your own store by providing name of the store. So I have here CJ Drop Test is the name of the store that I created just today for this tutorial. And after that, we can easily make use of CJ Dropshipping to add our product here, and there's no need for us to manually enter the descriptions, the title of the product, and also the pricing. Everything will be automatically synchronized from CJ Dropshipping platform inside your Shopify store. So I already created my account, so I will just log in. All right, so I just log into CJ Dropshipping. So this is the home dashboard of the CJ Dropshipping. It's like a AliExpress, but with this platform, you can easily synchronize your product here and easily connect it to your Shopify store. To connect CJ Dropshipping, you can add here, add apps, and then here you can just search for the CJ Dropshipping to install it inside your Shopify store. So we can visit the Shopify App Store to find more apps. So I will just scroll down, and as you can see, we also have our CJ Dropshipping here, and you can just easily add the CJ Dropshipping inside your Shopify store. And of course, you also have a tutorial video here that you can just follow. So over here, we just need to click the install app. All right, so I have my CJ Dropshipping here, and since I already logged in here, I will just go ahead and authorize. So confirm. All right, so we successfully authorized CJ Dropshipping inside our Shopify stores and CJ Dropshipping. So here we have a short instruction. For our store, products are essential items offered for sale. Do you have products in your store? No, I don't have the products yet. And with that, there's also a tutorial here how you can easily add the product inside your Shopify store. So you can just watch this one if you like to and follow the instruction. All right, so I just closed the tutorial, but if you accidentally close the tutorial, you can always access the tutorial here. Just click this person icon here on the left-hand side, which is Alex, and you can watch the tutorial again. But over here, all you need to do is to search for the product that you like to sell inside your Shopify store. So for example, for clothing, if that's what you are selling. So here, let's find clothing. All right, so we have different accessories here, tops and sets, bottoms, other categories. So let's just say I will select the lady dresses. And let's just wait for the load to open up the different products for lady dresses. And then over here, once you like the product, so for example, this one over here, it's going to be like a costume for Wednesday, I guess. But you can just easily add it to your list. And over here, it will open this card. Before you click on list it now, make sure that you added your store here. So the store name, so we have the CJ Drop Test. And then over here, you can also check this one if there is a additional charge tax for these clothes. And then also shipped from the warehouse place. If this is available to different warehouse, then you can select the near warehouse from your customers so that they can easily get their product in a short period of time. But here, as you can see, we only have one, which is the China warehouse. And then here we have the product type. So you can also categorize your product inside your Shopify. So for now, we don't have anything yet. So I will just add a new one here, and I will name it lady dresses. So this is where you can categorize everything. And then over here, let's just click confirm. And then of course the collection here, if you want to add it into your homepage. And then you can also have your vendor here. And you can just name your vendor if you like to. I will skip this part. And over here, you can see the different sizes for our clothes now. So we have additional sizes. We have 2XL, 3XL, 4, large, medium, and XL over here. And the color are all black. But if there are different color available, you will also see it here. And from here, you can also see the RRP of the product. This is the recommended retail price. And this is the product price derived from analysis of consumer big data. So you can make use of this if you like to. And here you can also see the CJ price. So from $6.27, you can sell it to $23.39 if that's what you like. And then we also have the shipping fee here, the service fee, and the total drop shipping cost, which will be $14.26 for this product over here. So for $14.26, you will sell it in your Shopify store for $23.39. You still have profit and plus the shipping fee. So over here, you can enter your price for your product. So again, you can make use of the RRP over here. So let's just make use of this, like 23.39. And then over here, you can see we have the ship my order most to United States of America. And then we have the estimated delivery time and the shipping cost and also the shipping method here, which you can select different kind of shipping method that you like. And then after that, you can just go ahead and add it to list it now. All right, so our listing is now in progress. So we can check the listing status in our on listing. Listed product can be managed in listed. So let's just go ahead and close this one, or you can easily click find more product if you like to add more products. So here the product has been listed to your store successfully. So here let's go ahead and view it inside our Shopify store. And it will bring us here inside our Shopify store. And here, as you can see, we have the product descriptions. So Halloween witch sling strap and big one-piece dress. But I like this one over here already, so I will not gonna do any changes. But if you do some changes, just continue scroll and make sure that you will save the changes. So let me just go ahead and visit our online store here. All right, so over here you can select your themes and you can set up your website. But for now, I will not gonna set up any of the website. I will just show you guys that the product has been automatically added to your website. So here, just click this view your store. And then this is a default website design for our online store or Shopify store. And as you can see here, we have now our product added here inside our Shopify store. So that's how you can easily connect your Shopify with CJ Dropshipping. And I hope that you learned something today. And I guess that's all for today's video. And thank you for watching.